Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off Microsoft Defender SmartScreen filter and Microsoft Edge. This feature is designed to protect you from malicious websites and downloads, but sometimes it can block safe content. If you need to disable it, follow these steps. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of the browser window. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to open the Settings page. On the left-hand side, click on Privacy, Search, and Services. Now scroll down until you find the Security section. Here you will see an option labeled Microsoft Defender SmartScreen. By default, this option is turned on to help protect your browsing experience. To turn it off, simply toggle the switch to the off position. A warning message may appear informing you about the risks of disabling SmartScreen. If you understand the risks and still want to proceed, confirm your choice. Once disabled, Microsoft Edge will no longer block potentially harmful websites or downloads. However, be cautious when browsing unfamiliar sites or downloading files from untrusted sources, as this exposes your system to security threats. If you ever need to turn SmartScreen back on, simply follow the same steps and toggle the switch back to on. This will restore Edge's built-in protection against phishing and malware. That's it. You have successfully turned off Microsoft Defender SmartScreen filter in Microsoft Edge. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.